Hey there! I'm Dr. Luna, and I'm here to chat with you about what you put in your mouth. But more importantly, I want to help you figure out what to eat and what to avoid to keep you feeling your best, especially if you're managing a health condition like diabetes, high blood pressure, or anything else. Let's kick things off with diabetes. If you've got diabetes, the key is keeping your blood sugar steady. You'll want to focus on foods that won't cause big sugar spikes. So, what should you eat? Think whole wheat bread, brown rice, and plenty of leafy greens. On the flip side, try to avoid sugary drinks, white bread, and those tempting pastries. It's all about balance. Now, if high blood pressure is something you're dealing with, your diet can really make a difference. Load up on fresh fruits, veggies, and nuts. These foods help keep your blood pressure in check and your heart happy. Try to steer clear of salty snacks, canned soups, and processed meats. Trust me, your blood pressure will appreciate it. Alright, let's talk about your heart. If you're focusing on heart health, you want to make sure you're eating foods that boost your good cholesterol and keep the bad stuff at bay. Go for fatty fish like salmon, nuts, and healthy fats like olive oil. Don't forget to skip the fried foods and high saturated fats. Lastly, let's talk about gout. If you've got gout, certain foods can trigger flare-ups, and we definitely want to avoid those. But no worries, there are plenty of tasty foods that won't cause any trouble. Cherries, whole grains, and low-fat dairy are your best friends. But let's keep red meat, organ meats, and shellfish off the menu. Your joints will thank you. So, just to recap, if you're managing diabetes, stick with fiber-rich foods. For high blood pressure, cut back on salt. For heart health, embrace those healthy fats. And for gout, avoid high purine foods. A balanced plate is your best bet. A little protein, plenty of veggies, and some whole grains will go a long way. Remember to stay hydrated and get some exercise in when you can. I hope this little chat has given you some helpful tips on what to eat and what to avoid. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Take care, and I'll see you soon.